Hey guys, today we are going to talk about debit and credit. What is debit and credit? Debit and credit is used to record a double entry transaction. Double entry transactions involve two accounts to complete the transaction. And in a double entry transaction, debit is always on the left side of the T account and credit is always on the right side of the T account. At the end, debit and credit should always be equal in the amount for any particular transaction. For debit and credit, you should always remember the word dealer and always remember the accounting equation assets equal to liability plus equity. And in one of the previous videos, we discussed and rearranged this accounting equation. Here, equity is broken down into owner's equity minus dividends plus retained earnings. And then retained earnings is broken down into revenue minus expenses. So the whole equation is rearranged as assets equal to liability plus owner's equity minus dividends plus revenue minus expenses. Then we rearrange and take dividends and expenses and bring it on the left side of the equation. Here, dividends, expenses, and assets are on the left side of the equation, and liability, owner's equity, and revenue is on the right side of the equation, and we form the word dealer. Here, Dealer, dealer. And in the next slide, you will see that dividends, expenses, and asset fall under debit, and liability, owner's equity, and revenue fall under credit column of the T count. Here you will see debit on the left side of the T count and credit on the right side of the T count. Then dividends, expenses, and asset fall under debit column, and liability, owner's equity, and revenue fall under credit column. Here we will see how some accounts increase under debit and others increase under credit. So assets increase under debit and decrease under credit. Expenses increase under debit and decrease under credit. Dividends increase under debit and decrease under credit. Liability increase under credit and decrease under debit. Owner's equity increase under credit and decrease under debit. Revenue increase under credit and decrease under debit. Thank you for watching this video.